like a professional. The secret is this unique multi-directional applicator.
To all citizens of the United States, Civil Defense has just issued an emergency broadcast. This is not a test. California and Oregon states are very likely to experience a magnitude 8 earthquake in the next 2 hours. Evacuate right now and get out from any buildings. We are going to continue with our normal programming. Please keep watching this channel in case of any update. You can listen to our FM radio in case of an emergency at 96.7 FM. Channel 4, always serving the United States population.
They call a single. And Wendy's single has more beef than the Whopper or Big Mac. At Wendy's, you get more beef than...
To all citizens of the United States, Civil Defense has just issued an emergency broadcast. Channel 4 managed to get the latest information from the United States Geological Survey. Incoming seismic waves are threatening the states of California and Oregon in the next 40 seconds. Evacuate right now and prepare supplies. What to do in case of an earthquake: if you can't get out of a building, hide under tables and go to lower floors. If you are already outside, run from any objects that are able to fall. If you are driving, get out of your car right now. Looks like an earthquake is happening. Remain calm and go outside. Programming will be shut down due to seismic doors. Avoid any glass objects and go to lower floors. If outdoors, to all citizens of the United States, Civil Defense just issued an emergency broadcast. Information about the event: an 8.5 magnitude earthquake was reported in California, Los Angeles, and Bakersfield. Expect after